All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Benjamin, and I'm the presidential candidate of the fictional Common Sense People's Party. Now, it is no longer news that INEC, TINUBU, and APC lawyers have all closed their defense after just 3 days, because what they are trying to defend is not defendable. The trial of INEC, APC, and TINUBU were only able to present 2 witnesses, and when those 2 witnesses were confronted with the brilliance of the Labour Party councils, INEC's witness began to testify against INEC. TINUBU's witness yesterday testified against TINUBU, confirmed the drug case, and anybody who has been following this tribunal will totally agree that Peter Obi's case has become stronger and clearer. His case is stronger now than even before INEC, APC, and TINUBU tried to defend themselves against him. Now, before I go further into that, let me quickly play this video clip that I believe every obedient will love to see. This clip by DELE FAROTIMI. See am.
Step. To now have Mr. FESTUS Okoye sit down here and open his mouth, there must be a disconnect between the mouth and the brain box for him to offer anything short of an apology, unreserved one, to Nigerians for the utter failure superintended by INEC. Let me say this. In a sane environment where people are still governed by reason, the likes of Mr. FESTUS Okoye should either have resigned or be somewhere writing his statements, explaining to Nigerians what happened. Glitch. The question is, that glitch, is it a glitch in human brain, a glitch in the technical systems, or a glitch occasioned by the complete shutdown of human conscience? So when the person now comes here and he sits down and he begins to offer explanations at variance with common sense, as has been attested to by anybody who observed this election or was here in this country, all the evidences are very clear, and it shows very clearly that everything that should work on that day worked except INEC. This is the precedence we want to set for elections in our country. That is up to the judiciary.
We're hoping and believing that we have a better country. And I know that you believe in this country, albeit you may be an angry Nigerian. But we do hope for a better Nigeria.
I believe in Nigeria, and that is why I can't leave this country. But I believe in something that does not exist and has to be battered. It is up to the judiciary to help us midwife a Nigeria that we can all be proud of. So I believe in Nigeria, but not in this one that is killing all of us and strangulating us.
DELE FAROTIMI, a retired lawyer.
Thank you.
Wow. That was DELE FAROTIMI, a true Nigerian, an honest man. These are the kind of Nigerians we need. This man is a Yoruba man, and he's not given to tribalism, ethnicity. The man calls a spade a spade. And just like every well-meaning Nigerian, he is charging the judiciary to do the right thing, to rescue this country. And now, on to the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. Let us hear what Labour Party lead counsel, Livy Uzuoku, had to say about the fact that APC, INEC, and TINUBU closed their case prematurely and shamefully just after 3 days. Make we hear that.
Well, we thank God that this case has successfully come to, successfully completed a hearing today, and the next stage is for us to go into writing of addresses. Well, you must have, I'm sure that you know that INEC called 1 witness, closed their case. Second and third respondents called 1, closed their case. APC had no courage to call any, and they closed their case. The witness for the second and third, the only thing I can say, I encourage you people, look for his deposition, place it side by side with the cross-examination. You make up your minds and find out whether the two of them are consistent. I don't want to go further into that. You can do the investigation. So I can tell you that we are happy the way and manner the hearing ended. We are very ready to react to the addresses of the respondents, which they must file in the next 10 days from today. Thereafter, we will file our reply. Thank you. God bless you all.
You have heard him. INEC called one witness. Second and third respondents, that is TINUBU and Shetima, also called one witness. APC had no courage to call a witness. It is not because people are not available. It is because anybody they call, by the time they step into that court and they are confronted with the brilliance of Labour Party SANS, they falter. They fail. They begin to testify against their clients. If you listen to INEC's witness when he was being cross-examined, you will not believe that this is somebody that came to court to represent INEC, because he was just giving INEC away when Livy Ozuoku SAN began to drill him. And the worst was even Tinubu's witness. He said he's tendering the ECOWAS report as evidence. Livy Ozuoku SAN picked the same ECOWAS report that he tendered, opened to a page and gave to him to read. Then Tinubu's witness began to read to the court, and what he read there was that violence pervaded the election, killings everywhere, including the killing of a Labour Party senatorial candidate in Enugu State. When he finished reading, he was so taken aback that he had to say, "I disagree with this report." And Livy Ozuoku was like, "What? You disagree with the evidence that you brought to court?" Everybody in court got shocked. The same way INEC lawyers, they disagree with their documents. The document where witness carry come court, it can still start to they disagree with them. By the time Livy Ozuoku boxed Tinubu's witness into a corner, he had to confirm Tinubu's drug case. He used his own mouth to confirm him for court. A witness that came to support Tinubu. When INEC, APC, and Tinubu saw this, they said, "No, it is better we close this case." The more we try to prove our innocence, the more it shows clearly that we're very guilty. And when you are in a hole, you stop digging. Now I can boldly say that this defense by INEC, APC, and Tinubu has done more damage to them than good. Because before the defense, there were so many issues that were hanging in the balance. But now it has been proved. Number one, it has been proved that INEC did not comply with the constitution or the electoral laws. Number two, the blood result sheets have been confirmed even by the witness that INEC brought. So over 2.3 million votes were misused by INEC. Number three, Tinubu's witness confirmed the violence in the election with the ECOWAS report that he brought. Tinubu's witness also went ahead to confirm Tinubu's drug case, and when he tried to make it look less evil by saying it was a civil forfeiture, not a criminal forfeiture, the presiding judge shut him down. He said, "Young man, you are a witness, not an attorney. No be you go tell us wetin we go do." And when APC, INEC, and Tinubu's lawyers saw that with every witness they presented, Labour Party was confirming all the allegations they made against them, they had to quickly all close their cases. And now the next stage now to move to the written address. And we go dey wait. Anything when they like, may they write come. They cannot defend the case. Now only the judiciary, now we dey wait for, make them do the right thing, because it is now clear, and that is why we keep talking about it, sounding it in their ears, so that they will know that Nigerians already know what to expect. Make them no use us play. We dey wait for that time to come. But before then, make I still enter town. Make I go get some ogbonge political news where una go like. Why? Because of una. Now I dey here. So, don't go away.